Assalamu alaikum 3 and 4 class. I hope you are fine. As you know, in previous video we studied about application writing. And I told you about main points of an application, that how we will write an application pattern. I have told you and main points of application. Today I want to tell you again the main points that we have discussed about in previous video. First, address we discussed, salutation, body, closing or date. Today students, we will write an application for sick leave. I will tell you that how we will write pattern and the main points we will write in application. So let's start. Firstly students, I told you that first we will write address. Address means the name of those person to whom we are writing an application. So we are writing an application to the principal of school. So as you know that I told you that after three fingers we will write the principal after three fingers. So here I will write here the principal. After principal, comma. Clear? One thing more students, you will write first letter capital, like the I have written and T is capital, and the principal, P of principal, you will write capital. The principal. After this we will write here school name. Your school name is ONS. In short form we will write ONS. After ONS we will put here full stop. Here you can see I have written capital ONS. It means Oxford National High School. Clear? Now we will write city name. In which city we are living? We are living in Farrukhabad. F capital. Farrukhabad we will write. After Farrukhabad full stop. Clear? Now students, we will write here salutation. As I told you that we will write address after address salutation. Salutation means to say salam. So we will write here respected madam, because we are writing an application to madam. After respected madam we will put here comma. Clear? Now we will write body. As I told you that before starting application, the first part of the body is it is. Here we will start it is requested. In other words, we can use here, as I told you, that we can write here with due respect, it is stated, and I have written here it is requested. It is requested that. Now we will write the object, that why we are writing an application. What's the object of an application? It is requested that we are writing an application for sick leave. So we will write here that I am sick, I am ill. So we will write that you will write capital I am suffering from. We will most always we will write suffering from. After suffering we will write preposition from. Suffering from fever. I am suffering from fever since last night. Clear? It is object. We have written here that I am suffering from fever since last night. Next we will write reason that why we will not come to school. I am unable. I am unable to come to school because I am ill. The doctor has advised me to take rest. आराम करना, take rest. Clear? Next we will write, so kindly grant me for 2 days leave. I shall be thankful to you. Clear? It's the body of an application. We have written here first object, then reason we have told that why we will not come to school. Next, closing. Closing we will write here, as I told you that in closing we will write here yours, Y capital, obediently, O capital, obediently. After obediently we will write here, we will put comma, and in the last X capital, Y capital, or Z capital. After Z, full stop. It is our closing. Now we will write date. Today is September. Month name, date 2nd, comma 2020. Clear, students? Today we learned about application writing, that how we will write an application. First, pattern I told you, and main points we discussed, and we have written here. Address we have written salutation, body, closing or date. It is application pattern. Now students, you will write an application for urgent piece of work to the principal on your notebook. Clear? And we will do in next video next application. Allah Hafiz.